What's up, guys? I haven't been on this YouTube thing for a while, so decided this is probably a pretty good, time to make a video. It's not a really good video. Kind of sucks a little bit, but there's got to be slight changes in my life, and I got to sacrifice a couple things. So what I have to do now is get rid of the Del Sol. You see the car's already on stock suspension, steel wheels. Everything in the engine bay is gone. Seats are out of the car. Yeah. Now I'm gonna be getting rid of this car. It's gonna actually get, crushed. I just really need to make some changes in my life. So on the bright side, the engine I took out of this car is now in the hatch. As you can see, I was able to get all the stock intake piping. Got a compressor, the wrong one, but got a compressor for it. Yeah, I'm just trying to finish up this car. I'd rather sacrifice this one, being that this one is a rebuilt title, has a couple of rust spots that I'm not really comfortable fixing, where this one is a really clean shell, has rust on the roof, but that's gonna get taken care of. Well, this is my final goodbye to the Del Sol. I can't even see in there, it's too dark. Yeah, this car will be getting crushed, unfortunately. Yeah, a lot of people are gonna be crying about this car and stuff like that. Like, yo, this car is a rebuilt title. I really don't want the car to go, but at the end of the day, I had a choice between this and my hatch, and obviously my hatch is a way cleaner chassis, so it's a clean title, so had to go with the hatch. This car will be missed, obviously, because it was missed before when I first got rid of it, but yeah, need to make some changes in my life, and this is one step to one of my goals I want to reach. So bye bye, Del Sol. You've been good, you've been fun, but you gotta go. But now back onto the Civic. Yeah, I'm about to figure out this T-bracket issue that I'm having over here. But yeah, this car is gonna be really my favorite car. Obviously, since I'm keeping it, it's my favorite car. I cannot get rid of this car. This car is just amazing. I put so much money, so much time into this car. I've been through certain things in my life that I should have got rid of this car, but I still held on to it. So yeah, this car is not going anywhere. Took the hatch off for a quick spin. This thing feels nice, man. This thing's driving really smooth right now. It's crazy, like, where this car came from and where it's at now. I think this past month I just made 3 years with this car, I believe. Yeah, 3 years, so I'm just happy to see where it's at right now. Damn, I love this car.